It's the cerebral aspect of jiu-jitsu. It's what excites me. I'm Jolly Ko. I'm under 48 adults. I'm a black belt.
Gi or no gi?
Gi. But, masaya din daw no gi. But, I prefer gi. Sa gi kasi parang mas sanay ako sa mga grips and all.
Ano po yung best competition move mo?
My favorite submission is armbar.
Ano po yung nagpa-motivate sa'yo na mag-start to compete?
I think for me, it's the cerebral aspect of jiu-jitsu. Iisip ka what steps to do, parang to be ahead of your opponent. So that's what excites me kapag nagko-compete ako.
What do you think is the biggest factor ng pagkapanalo mo today?
Confidence and experience na nagain ko na throughout the years. I think that's number one factor. That's why I wanted it.
What is your biggest advice to white belts na want to start competing?
Just enjoy the journey. Huwag kayong ma-pressure kasi once you get pressured, yun na yun eh. Parang mahihirapan na kayo to excel. If you're enjoying what you're doing, it's not work at all. You're just playing.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you're learning something, you're progressing. So that's the very important part. I want to congratulate our team Carpe Diem for showing up really good results today. And to all the teams that participated, congratulations and more power to JJFP and BJJFP. Thank you.